Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and in today's video we're talking about Optimum Carpet and Fabric Cleaner and Protectant. And that's literally what this stuff does. It cleans and protects. So you can dilute this, mix it up into a spray bottle, spray the carpets, spray the upholstery, give it a good scrub, and you can either use a microfiber towel, you can use a steamer, you can even use a shampooer to clean and refresh those carpets and fabrics. Or you can do a dry cleaning approach where you just spray it, scrub it, spray it, and then let it sit for a little bit and come back with a vacuum and clean up that surface. One of the great things about this product is it does leave a protectant behind, meaning that it's gonna protect those carpets from future soilage. So dirt, debris, even certain stains aren't gonna be able to stay embedded for very long because of the protectant capabilities of this product. It's gonna be able to make it that much easier the next time you use it to release and clean those carpets up. Pick up a bottle today, try it out for yourself, and I think you're gonna be pleasantly surprised.